heading to a potluck. Here is what I'm bringing. Everyone wants something different, so we decide draw an egg. I got 3 cups chicken rice roll. I did some research online. Then I decided to make my own shape of rice roll with this juicy chicken and my special shape of rice roll. Now I'm going to make the 3 cups chicken. Ingredients: chicken thigh, ginger, dry chili, sauce ingredients, soy sauce, soy paste, sesame oil, and a little bit sugar. Dice the chicken into cubes. I have diced the chicken into smaller pieces this time because this is a party food. Slice some gingers. Making the sauce: soy sauce, soy paste, and sugar. Now I'm going to stir fry the chicken. Some cooking wine. Ginger. Adding sauce. Garlic puree. Almost forgot the most important ingredient: basil. Unlike regular basil, Thai basil brings a bold and niche-like intensity that truly transforms this 3 cups chicken. Let's get started. Making the green rice using spinach. Glutinous rice is also called sticky rice, and regular white rice. Make the spinach juice. Strain the spinach juice and use this liquid base to cook the rice. Everything's ready, so easy. Time to plate up. It looks delicious and stunning. Let's see if they like it. And I received the feedback from my friends. Seems everyone loved it. This is an easy and tasty party food. I will make more recipes like this. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.